So, hindi na bago yun. Working with Kiray, it's also fresh kasi syempre gusto mong makita yung kung paano siya. She's very open. Parang si Beto actually, maganda nga yung eksena ng ginawa namin. Maganda yung rhythm namin as we were working. Kasi hindi na namin kailangan mag 1, 2, 3. Kung gagawin natin yun. Everything is mabilis na. Ayun yung masarap pag ang ka-eksena mo, nakaka-drive mo kaagad. Yung hindi nyo na kailangan mag-practice na mag-practice.
Because your passion is in this industry and this is one of siguro part of the many things that will be listed in your filmography. What do you think people want to remember you for this movie?
For this movie, maybe my red hair that I actually used for this movie.
Ah, you're so excited about that. We saw that on Instagram.
This is like my 8th color already.
Bet yung purple.
Yung purple, maganda rin yung purple.
Bet ko yung purple.
Actually, dapat talaga 1 month lang yon. Pang birthday month mo lang. Yung parang parang bucket list mo na ba, magawa mo lang yung gusto mong gawin for a month. Parang wala pa naman nagre-reklamo. Nakawig naman ako sa Be My Lady. So sabi ko, pwede pang isa pang buwan, ma-extend ka. So ang nangyayari naman, change ng color, tsaka cut lang ng cut. Parang okay pa naman. Sige. I'm on my 7th month of hair color and probably the 8th color change. Pero malapit na ako makamit. Next month, parang magbaback to normal.